Hi guys, it's Matthew here. Welcome back to another video on my channel today. Today in this episode, guys, we're going to be unboxing the LEGO Star Wars Skywalker Saga for the Nintendo Switch. And in case you guys were wondering, why am I not filming this video on April the 5th? Why am I filming it late? Is because I didn't have the time to go pick it up yet, so, but now I did have the time to go pick it up, guys, and just to let you guys all know, I will be playing this for the channel. It won't be right away because this is a Nintendo Switch version, and the reason why I can't play it on the Nintendo Switch is because here at my mom's house, my TV's up on the wall, and there's no good way for me to film on the screen on the wall. That's why I haven't been able to do my LEGO to finish off my LEGO The Incredibles videos for almost 2 years now, but so that's why I haven't been able to like film that and whatnot. But my dad doesn't have his TV up on the wall, so once I get it for an Xbox One, I plan to do it and whatnot. So, but I'm pretty sure it won't be soon, but it will come around eventually once I can make it happen, as a matter of fact. And so this is the deluxe edition. It comes with a Luke Skywalker minifigure, and then I pre-ordered it, so I got a pre-order bonus, and I will be unpackaging this at the end of the video. But anyway, guys, those of you that are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and most importantly, ring that notification bell so you don't miss anything in the future. As a matter of fact, guys, and also, guys, those of you that are new to the channel, I make videos on, I do more than just Legos and video games. I do movies, physical media, and a whole bunch of other stuff, so stuff like that is your speed to watch on YouTube. Make sure you give a couple of my videos a chance, and if you do enjoy them, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please consider subscribing and leaving a like and a comment, as a matter of fact, guys. But without any further ado, enough with the yammering. Let's get started. Okay, so this will be building at the end. So we're gonna start with this. So yeah, we're gonna rip this open. Well, this case looks kind of cool, actually. Oh. That's cool. Watch, guys. So there's Darth Vader's helmet. Now watch. It slips off just like that. That's cool. Alright, so the game is inside here. So there is the cover, and there is the back. Really cool. And the minifigure is somewhere in here. Is it in? Yep. Is that really a 6-piece? I think it might be. Hopefully we won't lose the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6-piece. Alright, what's this? Those are all older LEGO sets that came out earlier. I do love his impression. I do love his white mustache that he had with the milk, though. I thought that was kind of... I think that's kind of cool. And... okay. So there's Luke Skywalker, the same kind of Tatooine guard version we've been seeing, and you can see his white mustache, kind of, and he does have an alternate face. Pretty cool. Alright, so that's him. Let's see if I can get him to stand in a way. I guess not. Okay, so let's lean him up against the game there. Set that aside. That is an extra piece, so I'll also set that aside. Set this aside because it's garbage. And I kind of want to keep this. This is cool. Actually, oh, and there's the back of the box. So, I think I might keep this for my Star Wars stuff. To go with my Star Wars collection of stuff. So now I'm gonna put this on like that. And now it's time for a little bit more magic of this video. We're gonna build Bose X-Wing. Any pieces that went under there? I guess not. I do have the actual Lego set for this, actually, guys. I even have a review of that Lego set. So if you guys want to go on my Star Wars playlist and check that out, please do, and support the channel. And support my Lego Star Wars videos, because those of you that are new to the channel, I am a huge Star Wars fan. That is why that's why I really wanted this game, and so I pre-ordered it, and that's why, and I did get the deluxe edition with that minifigure of Luke Skywalker, so yeah. And so there is that cheese. Alright, so, and then we just go like that. Looks like we only need this. Over. Alright. And so now put that on. Okay. Put that on. And then we put this on. so now we need to make 2 more. Put that on and and then okay, and then there we go, just like that. And okay, so then we'll put that one right there. Okay, and then we put this like that. On. All right. Okay, and then we put these on like that. Then we put that on like, put that on. And then we put this on. Okay, and then just like that, and it opens like an X-wing, so it's perfectly good. And there we go, guys. So that was the building of this one, and these are extra pieces, so set those aside. Alright, so here is Poe's X-Wing. It's kind of like the same thing, just like as like normal X-Wings and whatnot, and because the wings can open, and it's got guns and blasters just like it normally has. This is just the instructions, so I'll set that aside. And so it flies around just like a perfectly normal X-Wing. And that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. I will be doing the Lego Skywalker Saga. I will be playing that for my channel, but it won't be for a little bit because I have to get it for my Xbox in order to play it on the in order for me to play it, because the Nintendo Switch version, because I can't play it on the Nintendo Switch because the TV at my mom's house that I play it on it's up on the wall, and my dad doesn't have his TV up on the wall, so once I get it for an Xbox One, I will be playing that, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But without any further ado, guys, I'm going to go bring you back to more videos, and those of you that are new to the channel, I do more than just video games. I also do Legos, movie-related content, and stuff like that. So if that kind of stuff is your speed to watch on YouTube, make sure you watch a couple of my other videos and give a couple of my videos a chance. And if you do like them, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a like and a comment, and please do consider subscribing and whatnot. But without any further ado, guys, and those of you that are, and also guys, those of you that are not new to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go do it right after this video, guys. Without any further ado, guys, stay safe, take care, and I will see you all in the very next video. Bye.